it means that APC as a party had no candidate in that election. So this is very far-reaching, and we hope that political parties will learn with this. Because for our democracy in Nigeria to thrive, the parties themselves, as the midwives of the system of election, must be very careful to ensure that they practice internal democracy, because that's the only way to sustain constitutional democracy in Nigeria. All the candidates were made to pay 22.5 billion naira to purchase forms, and then nothing was conducted. So now the court has also, this case establishes this principle, because when a party collects money for services not rendered, it's a breach of contract, so they are duty bound to refund that money. So this 22.5 million must be refunded, and the court has ordered that it should be refunded.
Justice has been served. We should learn a lesson. The party should learn a lesson. Things must be done right. We must consolidate our democracy, and we must obey the rules we made ourselves. The constitution of APC was made by APC persons. The guideline for the election was made by APC persons. We should not compromise on the integrity of the party.
So that primary election was in 2026.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Forget about it. Sorry.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.